To use Pocketguard on Android, start by downloading and installing the app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. The app will then ask you to link your bank accounts and credit cards to track your expenses and income. Next, navigate to the dashboard where you can see an overview of your financial situation, including your income, expenses, and savings. The app will categorize your transactions into different groups, such as food, transportation, and entertainment, to help you understand where your money is going. To get the most out of Pocketguard, make sure to regularly update your account information and transaction data. You can do this by syncing your accounts and allowing the app to automatically import new transactions. You can also add manual transactions, such as cash purchases, to ensure your data is accurate. One of the key features of Pocketguard is its ability to set budgets and track spending. To set a budget, go to the budgeting section and select the category you want to set a limit for. Enter the amount you want to allocate to that category and the app will track your spending and alert you when you are getting close to your limit. In addition to budgeting, Pocketguard also offers bill tracking and reminders. You can add your bills and due dates to the app and it will send you reminders when payments are due. This can help you avoid late fees and stay on top of your financial obligations. To get personalized financial recommendations, go to the Insights section where Pocketguard will analyze your spending habits and provide suggestions for improving your financial situation. This can include reducing unnecessary expenses, increasing income, and building an emergency fund. Overall, Pocketguard is a powerful tool for managing your finances on Android. By following these steps and using the app regularly, you can gain a better understanding of your financial situation, stay on top of your spending, and make progress towards your financial goals.